These are the traditional agogo bell, which is the instrument that plays the melody of the samba, which is the music of carnival from Brazil. These are our sandpaper blocks, which are the instruments that we're going to use to play the rhythm that the agogo bell plays for the samba. Now, this is going to be fun. We're going to really take advantage of that whole concept of playing what we're saying. What we're going to do is we're going to actually play with our sandpaper blocks the rhythm that is normally played in the Brazilian bateria. That's the Brazilian drum ensemble that plays the samba music of carnival. This is great festive music. And it creates the melody of the samba on a double bell, if you can think of two little bells in your mind connected. They're called agogo. And what we're going to do is we're going to learn statements. And what I want you to do is I want you to play, literally play, using our back and forth motion, every syllable and just the way that you say it. So I'll introduce you to those sentences. The first one is, Samba's lively. So we would do it this way. Samba's lively. Samba's lively. So we're literally playing what we're saying. The second part of that is, oh, how exciting. Oh, how exciting. Oh, how exciting. So let's put the two phrases or the two sentences together. Samba's lively, oh how exciting. Samba's lively, oh how exciting. So you can see what's really fun about this is that we're creating sentences that make sense to the music that we're playing. And we're taking advantage of the way that the words are created because they actually is the music, the rhythm that we want to be playing. So let's just do that one more time. We'll do it slower. Samba's lively, oh how exciting. Samba's lively, oh how exciting. What we're going to do now is we're going to review the playing techniques of the Brazilian scraper instrument known as reco-reco. What I'd like you to do is place your hand, your non-writing hand, out in front of your body with your palm facing upward. Then take the instrument and place it inside of your palm securely and making it now parallel with the floor. Take your writing hand and put the stick in your writing hand. We're going to do a series of short and long strokes. What I'd like to do is point out, though, to make it feel like the samba pushing the rhythm, what we're going to do is accent the first long stroke. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count to 4, and then I'm going to demonstrate the rhythm that we're going to play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What I'd like to do is I'm going to slow this pattern down so that you can see how it's played, and then I'll bring it up to tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side, 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 top, bottom. Side, 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 top, bottom. Side, 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 top, bottom. Now I'm going to bring it up to tempo so you can see how that sounds when we speed it up a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. last technique that I want to review is borrowing from the Brazilian tambourine, the pandeiro. What we're going to do is we're going to actually support the underside of our plate shaker with our non-writing hand. In this case, I'm right-handed, so I'm going to support my shaker with my left hand. Basically, I'm going to put my hand flat like this, with my fingers are actually facing downward, and I'm going to hook the shaker with my thumb, allowing my writing hand to be free. And these are the strokes. There's 4 strokes. And we accent, that means we play a little louder, the last stroke. So say with me, and then we'll count this. Thumb, tip, heel, tip. Thumb, tip, heel, tip. What I want you to do now to create the samba feel is to pick up the last note and then set it down in the motion. That's what creates this circular motion. By the way, we accent the last note. So with me, thumb, tip, heel, tip, thumb, tip, heel, tip, thumb, tip, heel, tip. Now if you were to count that, you would simply count every stroke that you did. So instead of calling out by what part of my hand I'm playing, I'm going to count, starting with my thumb. My thumb will be 1, and then so on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now be careful not to hurt your instrument by accenting too hard, but the idea is to create the samba feel. We lift the sound of the instrument by accenting the last stroke. Samba's lively. 1, 2, 3, exciting.